Your home is more than just a building. It's your greatest asset and a cornerstone of the American dream. You worked hard for it, and for most of us, it represents 70% of our net worth. It's the equity in our real estate that many of us rely on to structure our financial future or help us navigate tough times. But today, that dream is increasingly under threat. Real estate fraud is on the rise. Identity thieves and organized crime rings have learned to exploit your property's title to secure fraudulent loans or lines of credit. In some cases, properties have even been sold without the owner's knowledge or consent. Imagine finding out years later that a lien was placed on your property or a fraudulent loan was taken out in your name. By the time you realize, you're left dealing with penalties, interest, and legal disputes that could have been avoided if only you'd known sooner. And it's not just fraud. Over the years, voluntary or involuntary documents can be recorded against your title. Unpaid credit cards, unresolved income taxes, or disputes with contractors could lead to liens. You might only discover them when you're ready to sell, shocked to find your equity reduced by interest and penalties that have been accruing for years. If only you had known when they were first recorded, you could have settled or disputed them, saving yourself time, money, and stress. Introducing Title Watch, the world's first intelligent real estate title monitoring service. Title Watch monitors your property's title 24/7, alerting you immediately via SMS or email if any suspicious documents or changes are recorded against your property. With Title Watch, you're notified with over 30 intelligent alerts, and with total asset monitoring, you get more than just title monitoring. For the same cost as typical credit monitoring, we provide title monitoring, credit monitoring, identity protection, neighborhood watch, privacy watch, general index monitoring, up to $3 million in identity theft insurance. Your property's equity is your safest net, your financial legacy. Don't let it slip away. Title Watch gives you peace of mind, knowing your greatest asset is being monitored and protected at all times. Protect your home, protect your equity, protect your dream. Title Watch, monitoring your greatest asset. Enroll today.